Amanda, welcome to my channel. Amanda.
Okay, these are the couple. I know they're still looking shagalabatla. Let's wait and see how will they be when they finish with them. I chose cappuccino color. Yes. Hello. Did. Look at that gold. Guys, it's winter. It's so cold. You see at the clouds. Those clouds are telling you how cold it is, guys. It's so cold today. It's windy. 9 degrees, 10 degrees. Yeah. In the morning it was 9 degrees. During the day, 10 degrees. Yo. Just looking at the sun, guys. Enjoying the sun. I'm enjoying the sun. This is the view of the sun. So beautiful. Okay, my good people. We are still continuing with the kitchen. As you can see, yeah. Slowly, slowly, guys. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. That's the space for stove and the hood. Yeah, I only bought the top. It's a gas stove. It's going to be somewhere here. The hood up there. Oh, here's the hood. There's the hood that is going to be installed up there. Okay. Oh, here they have already. Oh, let me cover like this. These are my 2 ovens, double ovens. Yeah. They have left to with installing the doors for the drawers. These are the drawers, yes, see? These are the drawers. Yeah, they are spacious. And then there's this. There's still a door there that will be installed. I designed this. I love it. Good morning. Okay, guys, we continue. There's going to be a fridge there, microwave, yeah. All right. Okay, guys, another thing that I have forgotten to talk about. Okay, we are still waiting the electric after they installed. Okay, guys, I forgot to talk about another thing. After they install the tops everywhere where it's needed, the electrician will come and connect the oven and connect the hood. And then that's the hood there is going to be installed here up there. I'll come and install that hood there and connect it to the electricity, and then we'll bring the stove. Also, we'll bring the stove. The stove is going to be installed here. That's the plug for stove. It's a gas stove, but it ignites with electricity. Okay. Let me show you the stove. Here is the stove. Yeah. Okay. Well, here's the stove. Here's the stove. Right. You see, it's a gas stove. This is it. Yes, guys. Oh, wait. Alright, guys. Let's wait and see. Let's wait for the tops to be installed. We'll see how it goes.